Hey Pixomatic users, in this tutorial you will learn how to use the hair tool to cut out your subject's hair from the background. First, select the cut tool and outline the subject you would like to separate from the background. Click on Preview. You can notice that the hair is not cut out perfectly. To fix this, select the hair tool and brush over the edges of the hair, then click Apply. Now, click Preview and notice how better the cutout looks. Now, let's change the background. We're going to browse the stock image library to find a picture of a street. Let's go with this one. Since we have a different background now, we can see that the foreground in more detail and realize that we need to refine it more by erasing unnecessary parts. Now, we need to match the foreground with the background. To do that, we need to use the Adjust tool. There's a whole separate tutorial on how to use the Adjust tool. Make sure to check it out. You can play around with the tools and be as creative as you want. Let's change the perspective and blur the background just like this. Our image is now ready. You can now save your work and edit it later, or you can save it and hit download. We can't wait to see what you create. Thank you for using Pixomatic.